This video will show you how to remove the stock front and rear brakes on all 2008 through 2023 Dodge Chargers.
Now we're ready to uninstall our front brakes, so we'll go ahead and clamp off our hose to prevent too much fluid from leaking out. Now we'll go ahead and remove our banjo bolt here using our 13mm socket. Now with our banjo bolt and our brake hose removed from our caliper, we'll go ahead and loosen up the two 21mm bolts on the back for our caliper mounting bracket, and we'll have to use our breaker bar and our 21mm socket. And we'll get the one on top broken loose. And now we can just slide our caliper away from the rotor. Now you can pull your rotor straight out. Now once you've got your rotor out of the way, you can go ahead and repeat that whole process on the other side. And once you've got your vehicle properly supported on a set of jack stands or on a lift such as what we've got, next thing you're going to want to do is to put a clamp of some sort on the rubber brake hose itself. The reason for that is to keep all the brake fluid from draining out once we disconnect it from the caliper. So let's go ahead. I'm using a pair of needle nose vice grips with some rubber hose on the ends of them. That way it'll clamp the hose down without causing any damage. So let's go ahead and get this put on there so we can get that hose off. So here's the brake hose that we're going to clamp off, and then we'll disconnect it from the caliper using a 13mm socket. So we'll go ahead and put our clamp on. Now we'll use our 13mm socket to remove the banjo bolt up front. So we're going to use our 13mm socket to undo this bolt here on the brake hose and the caliper. Now you may also want to put a drain pan underneath it because there will be some leakage that comes out, but it won't be that bad. Now with the brake hose disconnected, we can go ahead and remove the caliper mounting bracket and the rotor. All right, now we've got our two caliper mounting bracket bolts, one right here at the bottom and the other one here at the top. So we're going to use a 1/2-inch breaker bar and our 18mm socket to break those loose. We'll do the top one. Now once you've got them broken loose, you can go ahead and use your ratchet to go ahead and finish taking them out. And you might want to hold on to the caliper itself while you're taking out this top bolt, just to keep it from falling. And once you've got that top bolt out, just slide your caliper away from the rotor. Now we can go ahead and grab our rotor and slide it off of the hub. And now you can repeat that process for the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Charger, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.